Hello, hello, hello! Happy day, world! Welcome to the Porenay in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day, everyone! Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ug mayong adlaw, Cebu! It's cherry tree. Yan ang bulaklak ng cherry blossoms. Blue skies formation, blue and white. Grabe guys, no? Hello, hello, hello. So this is already how many days? Ayan na, blossoming nating cherry, guys. Ayan ang cherry. Nag-green na siya. So yan, other side is ano pa siya? White. Dito naman is una talaga ito kasi dalawang branches to. Ayan, nag-green na. May cherry nang lumabas. So left side is nag-green at saka ano na siya. Meron ng cherries. Dito naman wala pa kasi iba yan. Diba? Ang ganda. Update lang tayo. Wow, wow, wow. Orange. Cherry. Cherry green.
Why this is red and why this is mega?
So guys, nandito ako sa ating cherries na area kasi nga atat si tata. Gusto na niya ipakuha ang cherry. So ayan na, diba? Oh. Na, balbangaan ang heart shape. So madami ng mga red. Ayan, oh. Ayan, red na red. Gulami ang balbangaan kaysa red na red talaga kasi nga may mga uod. Ito, oh. Diba? So, one side pa lang yan. Mababa lang, guys. Magpipiting tayo para matry ni Angela. Ayan, nakuha pa ng gagmay. Magkuha tayo. Try natin ni Angela. Ito. Meron din dito tagai ko. And here is our one of the cherry trees out of 5. So this is nearby our doorstep. So malapit lang siya. So easy to pick kung nag-crave kami or gusto namin kumain. And cherry is a fruit of many plants of the genus Prunus. And it is a flipid drupe. Stone fruit, red cherry with steamed commercial cherry are obtained from cultivar. Are several species such as the sweet Prunus avium and the sour Prunus cerasus. So I like this, guys, because natural siya ng folic na vitamin.
Mama, I want to feed you. It's not really fun.
Okay, not me. It's a lot now, ha? Buyag-buyag.
Nice, not a bit good.
It's a lot now. So guys, ilang days lang nag-red na lahat. Halos.
Now I can pick alone.
It's a lot. Nakaganito ako kasi nga may allergy ako dito sa mga.
Mama, pick up there.
For today, so ang daming nakuha namin, guys. Thank you, cherry lady. Tomorrow again. So may green pa. Pero madami ng mga ano. Yan, kinakain nila dyan. Dami na rin mga kinagat-kagat. Hindi, mababa lang. Taga, hawak lang. Ikit na?
Mama, you eat one. Oh, and then that's Selena.
Okay.
You eat one. Put it right here.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.